Meaning of Douglas Adams.
Douglas Adams.
Douglas Adams.
Douglas Adams.
Douglas Adams. Douglas Adams was an English author and humorist, best known for his science fiction series The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. His work often featured satirical and absurdist elements, with an emphasis on the philosophical and absurd aspects of life. Adams' influence can be seen in popular culture today, with references and homages to his work appearing in film, television, and literature. He remains a beloved figure among fans of science fiction and comedy, and his legacy continues to inspire new generations of writers and creators.